Imagine having Windows 10, 11, Linux and recovery tools all in one single USB. In today's videos, I will show you how to create a multi-boot USB using Ventoy software. Trust me, once you try this, you will never go back the normal bootable USBs. Hey guys, welcome back to Maddy Tech. Today I am going to show you a super cool trick how to make a multi-boot USB using Ventoy. This tool is amazing because you can keep multiple Windows version, Linux operating system and other tools in just one USB. No more formatting again and again. First go to Google and search Ventoy download. Open the official website. And download the latest version. Once downloaded, extract the zip file and open Ventoy. This is the main tool we all be using. Now plug in your USB and from the Ventoy window, select your USB drive from the drop down. Be careful, choose the correct USB because this process will clean everything on it. Click on install, it will ask for confirmation, just press yes. In a few seconds, Ventoy will be installed on your USB. This is the best part. You don't need to format or use any special method. Just copy paste your ISO files directly into the USB. For example, Windows 10, 11, Linux, anything you want. Now restart your PC, open your boot menu, F12, F9, escape, depend on your system and select your USB. You will see Ventoy menu with all your ISO files listed. Just pick what you want to boot and press enter and you are good to go. And that's it, your multi-boot USB is ready, super easy, super fast and super useful. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Maddy Tech and let me know in this comment what tutorial you want to next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.